Ladies, has sex become a thing of the past for you? Is it too painful, or perhaps you just don't have that desire anymore? Well, did you know there is something you can do about it? Dr. Russell Bartels is here with the Scottsdale Center for Women's Health, and he has a lot of options available to help you get your groove back in the bedroom. And Dr. Bartels, we talk often about women's sexual health and incontinence and all of those issues, but you are talking about a new approved treatment just for sexual desire?
Yeah, so it's called Vyleesi, and it's been FDA approved about a month ago, so it's very exciting. It'll be available in the upcoming months as a prescription in the pharmacies that we can get out to patients.
Okay.
But we've been using it as a compounded medication. It's been around for almost 20 years, so we've been using it in our practice for about 6 to 8 months. But it is to enhance the arousal, so like the libido, and the orgasmic response. So there hasn't been great options. We're doing a lot with hormones and doing the best, but you know, we are always looking for something else we can add in.
But we talk about the O shot, right? We talk about FemiLift. We talk about all of these other treatments. How is this different, and how is it used? Right.
So some of these things like VIV for radiofrequency regeneration of the vagina and FemiLift and O shots, those are procedures, that can be very good for the right patients. What we're talking about is a little injection. So it is an injection, a little tiny pinch of an injection, kind of like an HCG shot.
You just put it in your side?
You do, just wherever you can pinch a little something. And it's an on-demand utilization. So it's not a medication you take every day. You might take it maybe twice a week just to kind of keep your levels up and feeling good. But it can kick in within maybe an hour to a few hours to. It's almost like a natural aphrodisiac, so it works on the brain, on the centers there for sexual stimulation and arousal, and it kind of gets the juices flowing. Yeah.
Literally and figuratively, right? Let's talk about side effects, because that's what everybody is always worried about. And I know this has been out for a while, but recently FDA approved. So what are the side effects, if any?
Yeah, well, so it's very safe. We're not going to cause any problems. We're not going to cause any cancers. We're not going to cause any medical issues. There can be a little nausea, so that's not great for the libido if you're feeling queasy, right?
No.
And not everybody will get it.
Defeating the purpose.
Right? And so not everybody will get it. And the more you use the medication, that seems to subside. But in the initial dosing, we start with a low dose. I'd rather no effect than side effects. So we minimize the initial dosing. And we might add a little medication like a Pepsid for heartburn, or even a cup of coffee a half hour beforehand has been shown to minimize that queasiness.
Okay, so when a woman comes in, obviously she's experiencing issues already. How do you determine if Vyleesi is right for her?
Well, it's almost right for anybody who wants to take it up a notch in that department, but we really want to take a step back and evaluate the whole patient. We want to make sure their hormones are balanced. There's not any other issues that are interfering. So, set the table with some of the basics, with hormone replacement. It's a good place to start. But, it's really, I give out some samples in my office just to kind of let patients know what it's like. And it's really been kind of a game changer. Another weapon, in this battle.
Another tool in the toolbox, exactly what we're talking about. Excellent. Well, I appreciate that information. I know a lot of our ladies at home will as well. And I want to tell you about a special offer that Dr. Bartels brought. He is actually, as he just said, he can give you a free sample of Vyleesi. This is when you book, you need to book a consultation first. As he said, he needs to rule other things out. Scottsdale Center for Women's Health and Vitality Men's Health. They're located at 8415 North Pima Road. That's Suite 210 in Scottsdale. 480-291-6333 to learn more. You can also visit the website. It's feelbettermedicine.com.